Hi. I'm sure you've seen one of these but not realised what it is. This is what is known as an in-ground uplighter. Let's have a quick look. Here is the actual light fitting itself. It's a GU10. I happen to have a GU10 in my pocket. Let's pop that in there. There we go. It has a sleeve that gets buried in concrete or a hole drilled through the slab that it's in and then slips into the ground. And then this is bolted to the top. You can drive over them, do what you like. They're supposed to last for years. But I thought, wouldn't it be interesting if we were to have a look at one? As you can see, it's not bolted on, but I have extended the cable. So I'll be honest, I don't have any concrete and I have no intention of having any concrete. It will take a few days to set solidly, and for this project it's just not worth the money and the hassle. So what I'm going to do is to literally bury this as it should be, but in the ground. Then we come back in a few months and see how it's fared, or not. But let's go and bury it in the ground first. This is where it will be going. It really is a hole in the ground because it is an in-ground light. Let's put in the light. Well, as you can see, here it is, and it's switched on. Am I going to give it any preferential treatment? No. Will I switch it on every night? No. So what am I going to do with it? Leave it. Do you take care of any lights you have outdoors? Of course not. So why should I give this one any different treatment? Answer: I'm not. I'm just going to leave it here and see how it does. Or doesn't. I'll come back again in a few months. In the meantime, I will upload this just so you can see what I've done. Yes, it's not ideal, but when you don't have a lot of money to do these things, and it's only for testing purposes anyway, what else can I do? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.